I am Kalpnesi from 7C. Today I am here to present a puppet show based on integers. So let's start. He is Swayam and he is his big brother. Big brother, I can't understand the concepts of integers. Can you help me? Yes, why not? I understand that integers is representing positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. But I am confused in operation. Can you help to explain me? Yes. So let's start. The addition of two numbers having same sign will result addition, and the two integers having different sign with the sign of the greater value. For example, addition of 4 and 5 is 9 and addition of -4 and -5 is -9. And for different signs, -4 plus 5 is 1 and 4 plus -5 is -1. Thank you, brother. I understood now. But what for subtraction? Convert the subtraction sign into addition sign and additive inverse of the number after the sign and follow the rules of addition. Thank you, brother. Now what for multiplication and division? It's so easy. For same sign, the positive integer, and for different sign, the negative integer. For example, 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. -4 multiplied by -5 is 20. And for different sign, -4 multiplied by 5 is -20. And 4 multiplied by -5 is also -20. Thank you, big brothers. Thank you.